Joey mentioned I came into VOTV in a bit of a different way, I guess. I'd just been on Britain's Got Talent, I'd been on the television. It didn't go as I planned for it to go for several reasons, and I didn't sing for 8 months following the audition, again for personal reasons. And I thought, okay, I knew somebody who had been part of the VOTV process from my village, and I thought, let's just give this a go and try and get back into singing again. And I don't think I could ever have prepared myself for what VOTV actually gave to me. It brought back my love for singing, which I thought after that, the Britain's Got Talent process, I would never have got back. It brought me friends, you know, Joey included, even though he thinks I'm mean to him. People who are not your friends are nice to your face and horrible to you behind your back. But people who are your friends are not nice to your face, they're nice behind your back. They're horrible to your face. So trust me, Joey, you are my friend. But no, this process has given me friends for life. I was lucky enough to be on the judging panel as well, and to watch, you know, people grow and just watch really special moments unfold at VOTV. I'm still petrified every time I stand on the stage, including tonight. All I'm thinking about now is, oh my God, how am I going to be able to sing tonight? But if it wasn't for this process, who knows, I probably, after that terrible experience I had, maybe not have sung ever again. So, you know, and to win the process, well, I don't think that I've ever wanted something as much on that final night as I did to win VOTV, and you know, I really did fall for it, and I can really thank Joey for that, because a week before the final of my season, I was dropping out. So
I remember that.
yeah, I was dropping out a week before the final, and Joey said to me, you know, don't be silly, you can do it. And you know, I know you might say I'm not very nice to you, Joe, but honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you for everything that VOTV has given me, the confidence, the friends, the family, the experiences. And you know, if it wasn't for you, I know for a fact that I would not love singing as much as I do now. So thank you very much.